Banu Musa from the second of the eighth month of 1446. Banu Musa showed the possibilities of reduction of labor. Theological conflict came after their work as translators. Educational and frivolous was their sponsors. Magical suppositions for tricks were getting to be no more. Musical machines liberated the masses from being bored. Playful and practicality became as the same in even the cleaners. Stability of society maintains the joy from the engineers. And Abul Qasim Ahmed ibn Musa ibn Shakir, Abu Ja'far Muhammad ibn Musa ibn Shakir, and Al Hassan ibn Musa ibn Shakir were known as Banu Musa. And as I said, they started off with some translations. They got into various mechanical devices that benefited society in various ways. They were known for graven images, so I'm not saying that Islamic society supported that, but there were people who called themselves Muslim that were supportive of that. But things, you had clocks and stuff to work with water and various things like that. And, they generally lived under Sunni rule. And there was, some theological differences, right? And one thing that prevented them from being killed was that the caliph was about to die. And that individual was assassinated. But there's always people saying stuff astrologically. So, somebody's going to be right about something. But totally right about everything and in exact details where you could really figure out the future, no. Astrology's for meaning, right? And, there were some differences that they had with some scholars and stuff like that, too.